All right, driver. Manifest checked. Proceed to platform 3.
Platform 3, copy that. Platform 3 clear for unloading.
Large rotary washing machines clean every sugarcane stalk thoroughly. High-pressure water jets remove dirt, sand.
Gigantic crushing rollers squeeze the sugarcane to extract the sweet juice. The remaining fiber.
The sugarcane bagasse enters advanced cleaning and refining machines. Powerful systems remove remaining impurities, dust, and fine particles.
Events. The smooth sugarcane fiber pulp enters advanced fiber forming machines. High-pressure systems transform the natural pulp into
Fresh textile fibers pass through multiple washing chambers filled with purified water.
Laser inspection machines examine every meter of freshly spun yarn. Electronic sensors detect
The woven fabric enters large industrial softening machines. Natural plant-based softening solutions penetrate. The dyed fabric passes through long heat-setting chambers. Temperature-controlled rollers stabilize the fabric structure permanently. Finished sugarcane fabric garments travel along automated folding machines. Robotic arms fold every shirt with perfect precision.
Are these straps secure? Yes, ma'am. All tightened down. Inspection complete. Ready for seal.